everyone, my name is Apurva Bhakat. On behalf of Team Aviation, I welcome you all in Aviation CAD Contest 3rd edition. In this video, I am going to cover who we are, that is about Aviation Company, what is CAD, about Aviation CAD Contest 3rd edition, and complete process of Aviation CAD Contest 3rd edition. Before I start, I will give you a recap of Aviation CAD Contest 2nd edition, in which total number of participants was 1800 plus. Participants are from 11 countries. Participants from 116 cities across India. 3 participants got placed in aviation as a CAD engineer at a CTC of 2.4 lakhs per annum. 95 participants received 80,000 as total referral bonus. 92 participants received prizes worth 11 lakhs. Now we will discuss about Aviation Group of Companies. Aviation Group of Companies have 2 verticals: Aviation Services Private Limited, Aviation Element Simulation Academy. Aviation Services Private Limited has started in November 2015. We have 13 offices in India and 1 office in USA. Our head office is in Pune, Maharashtra. In Aviation Services, we perform CAE, CFD, MBD, FEM simulation for 600 plus companies from automobile, civil, aerospace and marine domain. With best-in-class simulation technology, we have completed 2300 plus industrial projects in crash, optimization, CFD, MBD, structural, etc. Aviation Simulation Academy has started in December 2015. We provide training in ANSYS and HyperWorks CAE software and Creo CAD software. We have trained 45,000 plus engineers. We have conducted 400 plus in-house training programs in 320 colleges across India. Every year we conduct 90 plus faculty development programs and we provide training to 400 plus companies every year. With India's #1 CAD and CAE training content, we are the leading training institute in India. Now we will see what is CAD. Computer aided design, CAD, is a computer technology that designs a product and documents the design process. CAD will facilitate the manufacturing process by transferring detailed diagram of a product's material, processes, tolerances and dimensions. CAD is mainly used for creating 1D line geometry, 2D surface geometry, drafting and 3D models. Now I will share some key features of Aviation CAD Contest 3rd edition, which includes complete training on Aviation CAD Creo Basic to Professional Training Program, free license version software, Aviation CAD Creo Basic to Professional Training Program certificate, industrial internship project, internship letter, letter of recommendation and experience letter, refer and earn program, placement at Aviation as CAD engineer with a CTC of 3.8 lakhs per annum, prizes of 11 lakhs. The registration fees for Aviation CAD Contest 3rd edition is 1500. Now I will share the content which we are going to cover in Aviation CAD Creo Basic to Professional Training Program. That includes introduction to CAD, creating sketches in sketching mode, 3D solid modeling of simple component, assembly of simple component, line modeling, surface modeling, solid modeling, assembly mechanism, rendering, drawing and drafting and many more. In short, we are going to cover everything from basic to professional level in Creo software. All the participants will get industrial internship project, training certificate, internship letter, experience letter and letter of recommendation. Aviation CAD Contest 3rd edition, having the registration fees as 1500, includes complete training on Aviation Creo Basic to Professional Training Program, industrial internship project, training certificate, internship letter, letter of recommendation and experience letter, refer and earn program, placement at Aviation. The prize are distributed as rank 1 to rank 50 will get Aviation voucher worth 10,000 and rank 51 to 150 will get voucher worth rupees 6,000. The placement process will be, Team Aviation will conduct interview of top 50 participants of Aviation CAD Contest 3rd edition. Based on the online technical interview, 3 participants will get placed in Aviation as a CAD engineer at a CTC of 3.8 lakhs per annum. Now I will share the detailed process to participate in Aviation CAD Contest 3rd edition. Open Aviation website. Scroll down. There you will find Aviation Global CAD Design Contest. Once you click on it, it will open a new web page having register, complete process, detailed schedule, FAQ, award and post content button. Click on detailed schedule to know the detailed schedule of Aviation CAT contest 3rd edition. Click on complete process button to know all the detailed process of Aviation CAT contest 3rd edition. Click on FAQ in which we have answered some frequently asked questions. Click on awards button to know the prize distribution. Click on course content to know the detailed course content which we are going to cover in Aviation CAT Creo Basic to Professional Training content. Now to participate in Aviation CAT contest 3rd edition, click on register button. Enter your name, email ID, mobile number, password and confirm password. Click on submit. Once you click on submit, a login page will open in which enter the email ID and password, then click on submit. Once you click on submit, a registration form will open, enter the details and click on pay now. A payment page will come. Select the mode of payment and complete the payment process. Once the payment is completed, you will be redirected to dashboard page. Click on Aviation contest button. Then click on Aviation CAT contest 3rd edition button. Then click on start learning button. Once you click on start learning, you will be redirected to Aviation CAT Creo Basic to Professional Training Program classroom page in which you will find training session, schedule, certificate, internship project, refer and earn and total score button. Click on training session button. You will see the session 1 will be in black, rest of the session will be in red. Black means it's active and red means it's deactive session. Click on session 1. You will find session video in which you can watch the video in which we have explained introduction to CAT. Give session test to unlock the session 2 and similarly you can unlock further sessions. Use upload homework button to upload the homework files. Click on classwork button to download the theory PDF which we have used during the training video. You can use homework button to download the homeworks wherever we have explained the software. Use comment button to share your queries or doubt, we will answer them. Click on schedule button to know in which session what topic we have covered. Once you complete all 45 session tests, click on certificate button, fill the form, click on submit data. Once you click on submit data, you can download training certificate. Once you complete all 45 sessions, click on internship project button. There you will find download internship project button. Download the internship project, solve it, create the solution report and upload the solution report and click on submit. Once you click on submit, you can download internship letter, letter of recommendation and experience letter. Click on refer and earn. There you will find a referral link. You can share this referral link with your friends, seniors and juniors. If they join Aviation CAT contest 3rd edition using your referral link, they will get 100 rupees off and you will get 100 rupees as a referral bonus. Click on total score button to know the score of each session. You can give session test again to increase your total score which will be mentioned in your training certificate. Now I will explain the contest schedule. On 6th August we will have round 1 in which we will ask total 50 MCQ questions. The total test duration is 60 minutes. Each question carries 2 marks. There is no negative marking. The time slot for the test will be declared on or before 1st August. All 50 questions will be from the theory, classwork, homework and assignments which we have covered in Aviation Creo Basic to Professional Training Program. The round 2 will be on 7th August. On 7th August, we will send a mail to all the participants containing the problem statement. Time to solve the problem statement will be 24 hours. You have to submit the solved file within the next 24 hours. The marks per the problem statement will be mentioned in the problem statement PDF. After receiving the solution, we will evaluate the results and presentation. And then we will add the score of round 1 and round 2 and declare the winners on 30th August. The prize distribution ceremony details will be shared with all the winners on 30th August 2022. Now I will answer some general questions. What is the duration of training? This is a self-learning video-based training program. That means as soon as you complete the registration process, you will have lifetime access to complete course content. Whenever you complete all 45 session tests, you can download the training certificate. Whenever you complete all 45 session tests, you can download industrial internship project, solve it, create the solution report and upload the solution report. Once you upload the solution report, you can download internship letter, letter of recommendation and experience letter. Is it compulsory to complete the training before August 2022? No. It is advisable to complete the training before August 2022 so that you will have complete knowledge of Creo software and you will have higher chances of winning the contest. The next question is it compulsory to attend the contest in August to get the training certificate and internship letter? No. As soon as you complete 45 session test, you can download a training certificate. Once you complete all 45 session tests, you can download industrial internship project, solve the project, create the solution report, upload the solution report. Once you upload the solution report, you can download internship letter, letter of recommendation and experience letter. The contest round 1 and round 2, we are only conducting to decide all India winners and distribute the prizes. It has nothing to do with the training, certificate and internship letter. So, Aviation CAT Contest 3rd edition includes complete training on Aviation's CREO Basic to Professional Training Program, Aviation's CREO Basic to Professional Training Program Certificate, free license version software, industrial internship project, internship letter, letter of recommendation and experience letter. Contest round 1 will be on 6th August, round 2 will be on 7th August. Cash prizes 11 lakhs. Placement at Aviation. The registration fees for Aviation CAT Contest 3rd edition is 1500, but if you register today, you will get 500 off. That means if you register today in Aviation CAT Contest 3rd edition, you can pay 1000 and participate in Aviation CAT Contest 3rd edition. Thank you very much for watching this video. At the end, I want to quote, engineers can create future only if they can predict it and are prepared for it. So I suggest all the engineers to keep learning new technologies to achieve goal. If you need any updates or information from us, feel free to contact us via contest@aviation.com or you can visit www.aviation.com. Thank you for watching this video.